Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, this tomatillo plant is one thing I can say to you, man. This plant was a tree plant was right here and it was producing so much. Still producing. Still having so much. Look so much on the ground. But we in September now, and if you notice, I have celery underneath, I have groundnuts underneath, I have celery in the back, and this plant was covering up. I even have an eggplant here. This plant was basically covering up all these plants. So what I had was to do, I had was to trim it out, that these other plants could get air. And since I do that, this pepper tree, look how this pepper tree is thin. It started producing. So air and sunlight is very important to plants. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get rid of these plants, that I can allow all these small plants underneath to get the full sunlight they need. I think I had enough from this plant. And I also have saved some seed from it. So, you know, you see, it's just so much. It's just so much I have harvested this year. And the ground is paved with them. So I think I had enough. So sorry that I got to take you out. But I got to take you out because I have so much different plant underneath. Look, look how this plant start growing. Because I remove it. You see, I cut the limb. If you notice, you will see all them limbs cut right there. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pull out this plant. I think I had enough. I'm going to pick all these, and it still have blossom. It's still, at this point, it still have blossom. Still pushing, just ongoing. So this is a very good plant to have, because once it starts producing, it's not stopping. It's continue produce, and it's a plant you could always grab a few and sit down and eat. You could take it and mix these Spanish take and make salsa sauce and all these kind of stuff. So it's a really interesting plant, and you could eat it just like a sweet, like a tomato. But it gotta go, because I have an eggplant here catching it behind because it's not getting enough sun. I have groundnuts, peanuts catching this because it's not having behind. I have a pepper catching itself. You know what I'm saying? I have other plants, so it gotta go. Look down here. We have turmeric here catching, struggling. We have basils over the struggling. So all this was hanging over all over here. Since I remove it, these things start growing. So this, what I'm saying to you guys is, sometimes some gotta go for some stay. You can't make one plant cause you to lose from 15 different plants. You see what I'm saying? One plant, even though it's producing, cause you to lose out from 15 different plants. This is a pepper. Look how it's still small. Why? Because this limb was covering it. You see what I'm saying? All this turmeric still no shooting up because this limb was covering it. So sometimes we just got to do what we got to do. So this plant got to go in order for these other plants to do what they got to do. Because right now we almost hitting the fall. And I cannot allow this one plant to stop me from harvesting from these other plants. Sometimes we just got to take out, we just got to give up. So this one, I'm definitely going to take it out. All right, just for the rest to grow. So thank you guys for watching. You see this one, and it's grounded in the root. You see, it's grounded in the root. So all these little plants here struggling because of these plants. Alright, so don't make this happen to you. You cannot make one plant block you from able to harvest from 15 different plants. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.